content for my garden is the green apple. You know what? It's very. So today is July. So I had to bill my Meralco or kuryente, electricity. That's right. So May, June, July. So me, June, my bill is 300 pesos for electricity sa bill over there the road, the Casimir or anything rocked up. So yun. Nagtataka ako for billing. So dumating ang summer for May, January, February, March, April and May is going to very to bill of Meralco. Umataas talagang kuryente. So, I'm gonna calculate. So, I have to sapat lang talagang aking allowance. So, tinipid ko siya. Tapos nagtataka ako. You know what? An international for the Strait of Hormone before the war and Iranian to America and China's world market, guys. Pitch ko lang sa YouTube ko sa akin mga vlog shorts. So, naniniwala ba kung apektado ang Philippine electricity supply and electricity? Kasi ang ginagawa kasi ng mga government for business, we're going to calculate for money collected other people's cities. Kung sumubra, kasi last year, na-involved sila na sobra sila magsingil ng bill ng Meralco around the Philippines. So, naglilikramo sila kasi ang dami daw pera. So, ngayon, parang tumaas ang aking bill 700 pesos. In July, June is 700. Kababayad ko lang sa Circle C. So, those is July. February, March, April, May, June. January, February, March, April, May. April, May is summer. Kasi ang bill ko talaga ng ngayong June, ang laki. 700 pesos. Awareness for this to calculate development money in people kasi may kakaiba talagang ginagawa ang mga Meralco at tayo inuuto lang nila for the over the heart for the sustainable little damages because andito nga tayo sa city sa Manalo, lahat binibili, wala tayo sa probinsya para magtanim ng gulay, mag-araro kung ano-ano dyan, matutulog, walang skincare, all skin problem, wala tayong gagamitin because a lot of money are always food ang ating kinakain kasi nga probinsya. So it's different world but high here now and technology. For the simply people, back here to running to mountain and blog for mobile phone and reel because not professional as content creator or anything. Hindi nyo na ba napapansin? Kaya maglilikramo kayo. Kasi sasabihin naman ng gobyerno, kayo likramo ka ng likramo, magsilayas kayo dito sa Metro Manila. Andito kayo nagpagsiksikan, wala naman kayong ginagawa. So, wala naman kayong ginagawa sa Metro Manila, lumayas na kayo ng Metro Manila. Kung hindi naman kayo nagtatrabaho, tambay na kayo dito. Palamunin lang kayo ng mga kamag-anak nyo, pumupunta kayo ng Metro Manila. So, you know what? Napapansin ko lang talaga. Kasi, kung wala kang bank account, ay naaayon, hindi ka kabilang sa government or tax o the problem ayuda. Napapansin mo ba yun? Kung hindi ka magtatrabaho sa Philippines, nakikitira ka sa mga kamag-anak mo sa Metro Manila, hindi pwede yun. Kailangan nyo magtrabaho. Dapat bawat isang tao ngayon, mag-open na kayo ng bank account. You know what? Kasi as per struggle for the word to collected for people and the Philippines International, ngayon bibilangin na nila ang tao. Pag wala kang bank account, wala kang silbi. So, I don't open your bank account every day for currency, for your works level or limit to stay humble but to the success. Really, writing used to be grateful. Bad experiences, a lot money, kill friends, mga marites, mga chismusa, masamang amo, masamang boss, mura magpasweldo. And for your work and get out. Because hindi ka talaga aasinso dyan. So ako, nandito ako sa Philippines because Masbate City naman talaga ako nakatira. My dad is Filipino, man is fisherman. My mom is Taurus and Bull. So, problema ko na yon on what you're doing. So, I'm really bad, right? So, ginagawa ko rin kahit anong trabaho, pinapasok ko para mabuhay. And doubt myself is very struggle and hit my everlasting for my themselves. So very muse, so struggle and bad and energy. Right? So I have to write. That's why. Kaya kayo mga tao kayo, mga people kayo, yun ang gawin ko sa inyo. Mag-open na kayo ng bank account. Maraming bank account. Mayroon na tayong GoTime Bank, GCash, PMaya, PayPal, all regular bank for your online blog. O hindi ka man nagbablog pero nagtatrabaho ka kasi mahirap nang umasa. The government is very crisis the war for war in China and over the American Philippines Strait. Papunta na tayo sa end of days. Tagutom at taghirap. Okay? Kung wala ka naman, kung hindi mo kaya mag-open ng bank account, meron ng mga alkansya dyan. At makakakuha ka naman ng regular bank account for GCash, GoTime, PayPal, Citrus. Kasi is regular bank. Hindi siya full bank. The verified is verified is regular is not billion deposit. Mga kalahating million lang siguro dyan. For our bills. For your bill, house, bill of electricity, shopping, groceries, food, ano na wow. Yun na lang. Ako kasi, na-realize kasi ganun ako dati. Bawat sweldo ko, wala akong bank account. Wala akong pero ang sweldo ko ngayon is very empty. Kasi maliit lang talaga at lagi siyang zero ang aking bank account. Pero okay lang yon. So what are the flying games for depository man or woman, people, individual? Mas maganda yung pera mo labas-pasok kasi ang pera pag hindi inipon tapos hindi mo linalabas. Kunyari, ipon ka ng ipon tapos hindi ka naman nagwi-withdraw, lagay ka ng lagay. Mali yun sa isang bank, people. Kasi kailangan mo i-withdraw kasi doon kumikita ang bank. Binabayaran yun yung kaltas. But you're going to your money. Kasi yun ang maganda. Maganda ang naibibigay ng mga bangko pag ang pera mo ay ganun. Labas-pasok, labas-pasok. To increase is to level your money. So, I want to agree with you. I-level the bank money. So, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. And then it's longer years. Pwede ka na pautangin ng bangko. So, it's very right. And call your bank and your registration number. And what your preparation work is not only work for your price and your money collected. Magkano ba ang sweldo mo? at bakit ang laki mo ganun gumastos kaysa sa sweldo mo. So, tinitingnan ng bank yun, whatever the people platform capacity, whatever the people possession for money. Pag nalaman nilang hindi mo kaya magbayad, ang ginagawa ng mga bangko, hindi ka naman siguro tinatanggal, hindi ka nila pautangin. So, ang gagawin mo, mag-iipon ka ng money. 100,000 to 200,000 hanggang 500,000 for feed, kalahating milyon. So, uutang ka ng 300,000 for business, mag-uupin ka ng salon, mag-uupa ka, magtatayo ka ng karinderya, magtatayo ka ng mga ukay, etc. etc. Pwede ka mangutang sa bangko. Kasi nalalaman nila may deposit ka money forward, na ibig sabihin kahit pag hindi ka nagbayad for whenever the time the order, kukunin nila yung dineposit mong pera at yun ang mawawala sa iyo. Kunyari, kuha ka ng 300,000, yung pera mo ay 500,000 Philippine money to 5 or anything, 500 Philippine money 1,000. Ang matitira sa is 200,000. So 300,000 equivalent to calculate of withdrawal. So, ang mangyayari naman, mababawasan naman 200,000 mo kasi i-withdraw mo sa ATM. Sa ATM machine is very different to work of depositing in office for bank manager. Papasok ka sa loob, check card, credit, anything, bank net, shoot mo na pupunta ka doon sa manager at doon ka magdi-deposit, signature for valid ID, anything with check-in. Mahabang proseso at maraming magaganap. So, I very amazing exercises for your limit for valid, for, kasi sa akin, your proper blog and content will happen to President of America and Philippines na hindi sa akin binibigay ang money ransom. So, wala naman tayong magagawa kasi hindi naman sila alipin at whatever pride going to, believe because it's rich. Tingnan natin magaganap kasi hindi naman tayong mawawalan sila. Kasi we're changing the population for people na for education, na gumagawa sila ng mga ganang education na para pag namatay yung mga taong itong matatanda, very old yun ang papalit yung mga batang nag-aaral. Yun na change the world for population. So increase is very level drawback. It's very hill right. Because other people, whatever religion, anything is control. But it's not respectful because always control and always proud. Okay? Take a look at this my video. I'm sure. Thank you. Bye.